Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3a Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the Nightlight or a comfort mode. So let's begin with the customization of this mode. Let's open the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the display. Then let's localize the option Nightlight, which is right here, and we can basically turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. Let me quickly turn it off and disable the dark theme, so you will be able to see the changes. Let's tap on this switcher, and now you can clearly see that the screen is actually amber. It is obviously to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. We can customize it also. Simply tap on the Nightlight, and here we can change the intensity of that feature. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and to the right, warmer. But there are no, those differences are not really that huge or something like that. I mean, they are quite on the same level. We can also schedule that feature. So the none option is manual option. Here we can turn it on at custom time. So we can choose the start and the end time, or we can turn it on from sunset to sunrise. And here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based, and as you can see right now, the Nightlight is off because we are before the sunset. And here, if you wish, as I said, you can turn it on at custom time, so you can choose start and the end time on this clock. Alright, so this is the manual customization, and if you wish to have much faster access to this option, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those toggles or options here. And now we have to simply swipe in order to find the Nightlight, which is quite I would say it's quite hard because we do not have the captions under the icons. So let me try to tap on this edit icon, and now we can try to find the Nightlight option. I hope that it is right here, but I cannot really see it, which means that the Nightlight is somewhere here, I believe, but I cannot really see that, which is here. We've got the Nightlight. Oh my god. All right. Another thing which I wanted to show you, as you can see here, you can basically open the icons and show the name of the specific feature. So if you wish, you can open all of them to have a better, I would say, better access to this specific option. If you don't want to, just remember that this moon icon is connected with the Nightlight. Alright, so just tap on it to turn it on, and then tap on it again to turn it off, and this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.